We're here, Bosch Nissan. Marvin, I think his name is. He works here, so I gotta actually pick him up. I'm not exactly sure where I'm gonna pick him up, but I'm gonna pull over here real quick and gonna message him. Marvin, yep. You know, I do a lot of fender rolls for people that work at dealerships, whether they're technicians or auto body shops where they're auto body technicians, but he's coming right now, so we're gonna get over to his car and check it out. I'm gonna show everybody what it looks like. I'm gonna have to air it out too.
Through there. Yep, just
I can see that fender lip pulling out. Here, let me just pull right here, pull out everything that I have in the trunk, and we'll go from there.
If you want, you can just park right up next to the BMW.
Alright, cool. Lexi, be right back. Yeah, no worries. I'm gonna take a look at your wells. Alright guys, here it is, bagged out. And mind you guys, this is my new A6300. I switched from Canon to Sony. So that's why you guys are getting this amazing footage. But my camera is gonna die, so I'm just gonna roll this car up and I'll get back to you guys. Well, here's well number one. You can see that he had some compromission prior to me rolling, but good thing is that it didn't push in any further than what it did or what it was. So you can see very tight. Okay guys, I just got confirmation that I have a WRX coming to my house at 2:30, so I'm gonna bang that car out. Well, my second fender roll of the day is here, and I don't know exactly where he is, but that's the car. I'm gonna be doing the front fenders, and it doesn't look like the rear needs to be done, but you can see that he is rubbing just a little bit. All right, so I gotta roll those bad Larrys up. And very minimal here, so maybe his alignment's off a little bit, because normally it was rubbing there on the other side, and now it's rubbing there. So there it is. Let's get to it. All right, everybody. So I'm working on this Subi, and let's just say it's immaculate. It's in beautiful condition, and the kid is materialistic just like I am, so he's very cautious and asking a lot of questions. But with me, guys, as your Boston fender roller, I tell you and show you everything I do through the whole process. Well guys, I finished up that fender roll, that Subaru WRX, which had converted calipers from an STI. I guess he swapped those out last year, and the wheels that he has on the car now are scraping it just a little bit, so he's gonna be doing hub centrics and stuff. Me and my wife are out to dinner now, and I'm gonna lay low until tomorrow when I go do my friend Lita's front fender. She's getting replaced and re-wrapped, so we're at Texas Roadhouse, so talk to you guys later. Peace.